We need to look at what's moving in the markets today. Scarlet gets us started.
And we need to start with Apple because it looks like in the pre-market, at least, Apple trading below $500 a share. It has bounced back a little bit, but that would mark the first time since February that it traded below that $500 mark. Citigroup downgrading Apple to a neutral, saying that Asian suppliers are reporting cuts in orders. That, of course, raising questions about demand, strength of demand for the iPhone 5. So the bear market for Apple deepens.
It's also something you knew that was going to happen after the Japanese LDP victory yesterday. The yen continues to strengthen against the dollar. This is putting it in yen terms down 0.3% today. It was down as much as 1.1%. That's a trend that's been ongoing. We'll see how much more stimulus we get out of Japan.
And Weatherford shares, be prepared for a drop there this morning. The company is restating its 2009, 2010, 2011 annual results, citing material weakness in internal controls, especially as it has to do with its taxes. Certainly not good news, not what investors want to hear. Stock is down more than 4%.
Biopharmaceutical company Lexicon, their stock up 12% in pre-market trading. They get a fast-track recommendation from the FDA for their irritable bowel syndrome drug. The stock moving very quickly this morning.
And we also need to bring up Sprint and ClearWire. ClearWire shares were moving before it was halted from trading because of the announcement that Sprint is prepared to buy out the rest of the company that it doesn't already own. It already owns about half. It would make a bid for the rest of the company for $2.97 a share. That is a higher bid than what it had planned. SoftBank, the majority owner now of Sprint, has consented to this deal as well. We knew something was coming after SoftBank made that bid and basically provided a lifeline for Sprint.
Right. Quickly, Michael Mckee, housing tomorrow. It's a housing week, isn't it?
It's a housing week. We start to get the numbers for the prior month. Don't expect a whole lot out of the month of November.
Sandy infected?
Sandy's not. It's going to have an impact on the ability of people to go out and look for houses, but we haven't seen the rebuilding start yet.